Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk about fashion, style and how to dress well without breaking the bank. Today we're diving into the capsule wardrobe, and yeah, I know it feels like everyone else has already done a video on this topic, so why should you watch this one? In this video I'm gonna give you a step-by-step plan on how to build the perfect capsule wardrobe with exact pieces you can purchase now. You will get all the essential pieces figured out today in this video, and the best part is I've built this capsule wardrobe for as little as 330 euros. You don't need to spend a fortune in order to dress well. This is the most budget option, but I will also show you a tiny bit more advanced one if your budget is tiny bit higher. So we're gonna go to capsule wardrobe for about 500 euros as well. Stick around, this one's gonna be good. If you're just starting your fashion journey and you're really curious about how to improve your style, don't forget to click the subscribe button, because fashion and style is basically everything I talk about on this channel. Let's go. And of course we're gonna start with the foundation, and your first piece in the capsule wardrobe should be a white t-shirt. And I have some of the pieces which are actually from my wardrobe I can show you, and this is my white t-shirt. I went for the one from Arcade. I have to say I'm not 100% happy with this, so I actually found you two better options which I would recommend to go for, because yes, white t-shirt is such a basic piece and it's really useful, but sometimes it's really tricky to find the ones that are actually have a very good price value point. So I found you two potential options to consider which are also budget friendly. And the first option is this Uniqlo t-shirt. Very simple, well done, for 15 euros. I think it just provides you everything you want in a t-shirt. Or you can go for this one from Arcade. Yes, I just said that mine is from Arcade and I'm not that happy with this. This one is not the usual collection. The material here is a bit thinner, that's why I don't really like it, but I have a lot of black and beige t-shirts from there and they're very good. And if you want to get even more value from your capsule wardrobe, I would recommend to search for that kind of basic pieces during sale season. And if you would like to know how to actually shop on sale, what to buy and what to avoid, I have this video with all the shopping tips you need to know, so don't forget to watch that. Okay, next one is your jean. And when you are building a capsule wardrobe, I recommend you to keep it simple at this point. So don't go for like trendy, very statement jeans or shapes which you're actually not really accustomed. Try to stay as classic and simple as possible. My favorite jeans for several months already, I've been wearing it on repeat, and if you follow me on Instagram you probably saw these jeans over and over again, and I kind of hope you follow me on Instagram. You can have more examples of the outfits with the jeans as well. And also these are the jeans I'm wearing right now. These ones are from Arcade. They do have a bit of the detail with these pockets, which I personally just really love. Ultimately, these are a very simple classic style of jeans. It's a straight leg, full length jeans, which works for both summer and winter, and you can style it with any kind of shoes, to be honest. So in terms of jeans, I have to say I do really like jeans from Tommy Hilfiger, but they are more on the pricey side, so you can account for about 100 euros. So since we are building a budget-friendly capsule wardrobe, I would strongly recommend to have a look on Arcade, especially on sale. You can get these jeans which has a very strong denim, very good material. They are not getting easily stretched as some of the mass market jeans, and you can get them for like 50 euros, and right now they're also on sale. I also can recommend another option in Arcade. These are the cloud jeans, and I got mine for summer. They're a bit lighter blue, and also I got them for like 50 euros. So yes, it is totally possible to find these basic classic jeans for 50 euros and you're gonna be really well covered. And another thing what I love about these jeans is that they actually do not have any branding around them. So this is also what you would like to do for your basic wardrobe, so you can play around with your outfits and any accessories you want in the future when you're gonna build it out. The next piece, and since we're talking about pants, we're gonna talk about tailored trousers. And especially if you are going to the office, these are the essential. And I can show you mine. These are my tailored pants from Massimo Dutti. They are blue pinstriped. I don't work in the office, and I also just wear them when I don't want to wear jeans. I will go for my trousers, or when I just want to look tiny bit more elegant. Here I would recommend trousers from Massimo Dutti. First of all, because they have a very nice silhouette. They have a big range of different trousers. Again, I will recommend to stick to a classical straight leg or wide leg if you prefer wide leg trousers, because it's just easier to style. Yes, overall you can have different options of all of these basic pieces, so you can kind of play around and see what you like. Massimo Dutti, they have pants with a range from 70 to 90 euros. I think this one I got for 70 or 80 euros. I'm really happy with them. They keep their shape, they do not stretch, but they're very comfortable. So to be honest, sometimes I even prefer to wear them instead of jeans because they just feel a bit more looser and just tiny bit more comfortable. Alternatively, COS has a very beautiful, very cool pants, but they're more on the pricier point. Now we did cover the t-shirt, but for the colder days you also would like to have your long sleeves. Here is mine, just very simple black long sleeve. I went for a round neck because I think quite often it's easier to style it with blazers and sweaters and so on. I bought mine in Arcade and I have to say I'm pretty happy with this. One thing to note in Arcade, because they also have another long sleeve, and make sure you check that these sleeves are actually properly sewed, because the one they have for a bit more sheer, lighter materials, they're actually not even properly sewed here, they just cut, and I would not recommend to go for this long sleeve. But that one is really nice, very simple cotton. I have it for a while and it still keeps its shape, so perfect. I think this was about 25 euros. Alternatively, Uniqlo has also very good options of their long sleeve. They have always so many colors, so you don't really need to go only for black, even though I would recommend, if you're building your first capsule wardrobe, try to stick with the usual black, white, dark blue colors. You can add other colors a bit later because obviously you need more than one t-shirt in your wardrobe, right? So yeah, Arcade or Uniqlo, both are good and they range from 25 to 30 euros. Again, have a look on sale. Sometimes you can get this long sleeve for a bit cheaper price, which is also very nice. And now it's time to move to blazers, and this is an essential for both your formal and more casual looks. Blazer can be really tricky to find if you want it to be not too expensive and budget friendly. I can show you mine. I got my blazer, but yes, this is not really budget friendly. That one is from Pinko. Really simple, classical blazer. But as I said, this is not really budget friendly. I think it was 150 euros. I wouldn't say it's too expensive, but Pinko is a bit of a brand. So I found you other examples of the blazers, which are really good in quality and gonna serve you well, but just a bit nicer in price. My recommendation would be again Massimo Dutti, because to be honest, I think Massimo Dutti just does really well all the suits, blazers and trousers. This is kind of their thing, hence this is why they have very good blazers. They have a different materials, wool, linen, cotton. I also have one of their blazers, but unfortunately it's just not here with me. It's basically the same blue pinstripe. I will put a picture here. I personally really happy with it. It still looks like new, even though I've been wearing it a lot. What they have now is actually this blazer, which is I think 110 euros, which is a bit more on a pricey side, as I said. But if you would really like to make the best out of your money and find the best budget-friendly option, I think you should look then on Mango, for example. This blazer is for 40 euros, and of course, in terms of quality, the Mango one will be a tiny bit less, but I still think that for the 40 euros, for the design, styles, materials they use, how well it's done, it is a great deal. So yes, especially if you're not sure if you even like wearing blazers, I think you can just go and check what Mango has to offer. Next, we're gonna talk about knits and pullovers, and of course, there is such a huge choice of sweaters, pullovers, hoodies, wherever you can imagine. For the wardrobe which we're building here today, I went for this piece from COS. This is just, first of all, very cute, very trendy color. It's 60 euros and it's on sale now. It costed like I think double that price, and I just think this is really beautiful. You can layer it on your top, on your t-shirt, on top of your short. You can just wear it like that. You can wear it under the blazer. Basically, you can mix everything I just show you with that. So yes, really good choice. And then another one is again from Uniqlo. It's a bit more expensive. It's 80 euros, but 100% cashmere. Like, to be honest, I have never seen 100% cashmere for this price. It's a bit simpler, which can be really beneficial if you're just getting started and just want to have these basic pieces, which works really well with everything. They also have a round and V-neck. Again, I would stick to the round neck. I think it's a bit easier also to add some jewelry there than the V-neck, but both are equally useful. Good. So we just have several more pieces, and here I have to include again and again the white t-shirt. And to be honest, finding a nice white t-shirt can be a bit tricky. Mine is from Mango. I would like to change it. I was wearing it a lot and it cost 20 euros, but I just see that after actually lots of washes, the material started to lose a bit in the shape. So I found you a bit better option which I can recommend. And first one is from Massimo Dutti. Very simple, very straightforward shape. There is no really details. Again, if you would like to stick to for a bit budget-friendly options, I still think that Mango has plenty of shorts to offer. They are about 20 euros. If you wear your white t-shirt as a base layer, as a layering piece, and you're really getting wear out of it, it's normal that you will have to change it a bit more frequently, because after all, washes and the white, it's gonna lose its color anyway from whatever brand you wanna buy. That's just, it is how it is. But definitely you should have this t-shirt in your wardrobe. You can later get more colors in your t-shirts. I personally really like the blue t-shirt, the pinstripes, but start with the white first. And the last piece I would like to add, the piece number 8 you should have in your capsule wardrobe, is a dress. And here, of course, you can go in so many ways, so it's kind of difficult to recommend the one dress you should go. So I decided to show you two potential versions. One is for more everyday office, more probably autumn winter, and one is more dressy options. And let's start with the everyday. I found this very beautiful knitted dress from Mango for 30 euros. And I love this dress, and I included because you can definitely make it more dressy and dressed up with your accessories, with heel, with belt, but equally you can take it all off and you can make a very simple everyday office look. It's gonna be warm and comfortable, so yeah, very nice option. And another one I found in COS, and this is this little black dress. It's a bit shorter size, you have an open sleeve, so yes, it's a bit more dressy, but still you can also dress it down, just wear it with simple black boots, and you can have a long sleeve under it, so it's gonna look just till you have a total black dress outfit. Equally, I really like silhouette. It's flattering for most people, and I really love the texture and material. It's not plain black material, it has a bit of the texture in it, which makes it interesting straight away. And I think that was 80 euros, so I'll go to a more expensive capsule wardrobe, but I think this gives you a roundup of what exactly pieces you should have as your base at a minimum, especially if you're always struggling with having these pieces. Just get that and your outfits and any way how you dress will be much easier and better. Good. So let's conclude. I've shown you two different capsule wardrobe. All the links you can find in the description box below, and I also created this mood board, so it's gonna be easier for you to shop or to like check what you have, what you don't have. Maybe you don't need to buy so many pieces and you're just missing one or two in your capsule wardrobe. So yeah, and that you can also find in the description box. So let's see, maybe I'll put it somewhere here so you can make a screenshot or wherever. The more budget-friendly capsule wardrobe was accounted for 330 euros and another one was 513 euros. Of course, you can mix and match between pieces, so you can find this capsule wardrobe that fits your budget. All the prices and all the checks I did for Germany, so if you live in a different region, the prices might vary, so have it in mind. Realistically, you will need more than one t-shirt or one long sleeve. It will make it a bit more expensive, so you can also account for that. From this point, you can build the wardrobe which correlates to your style, your way of life, your personality, and you can add more statement pieces, more bolder colors, more accessories, wherever you like. But without these pieces, it's gonna be really tricky to make the most of your statement pieces. So yes, sort out your base first. Let me know which capsule wardrobe you found more interesting, which one you would personally go, or maybe I should add some pieces in my list, so let me know. Also, if you have any question about how to build your capsule wardrobe or any other fashion and style question, also let me know in the comments. I love reading and answering your comments. I really hope that this video just made it a bit easier, this complicated topic of the capsule wardrobe, and everything you need is just this basic 8 pieces. And I found you these pieces which are high quality and a very good price point, so you don't need to spend a huge amount of money on your base. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching, and see you in my next videos. Bye!